Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We got here today a 2011 Polaris RZR. This is an 800S. It's got the Fox podium shocks. This one also has an exhaust system, a lift kit to accommodate these larger mud tires. These are Terminators. They've got an aggressive tread, but they ride pretty flat, so they actually drive pretty good. We just put it in the shop and had the brake pads replaced a couple of axle boots, just kind of gave it a good going over. It's got a wild bore bumper on the front and a winch. Does have some scratches and scrapes from being ridden on the trails. Does run good. It's got a Pro Box top roof on it with speakers, and I haven't been able to get the radio to turn on. Let me see if this light comes on. Yeah, I think there's just no power. Probably needs to be hooked up to the battery. But these are supposed to be marine grade kicker speakers, so they can handle the moisture. But overall it looks pretty good. It sure runs good. It's got a windshield on the front and a rear glass, actually plastic panel on the back. Start it up. It's got 360.6 hours of run time. Motor sounds good. It rides a little stiff, and I think part of that's because of the lift kit. These tires are 29.5 inches tall. Oil filter looks pretty new. A few little scuffs right here. Little place right here. This unit doesn't have any seat belts in it. I guess they didn't like seat belts. Probably should put some seat belts in it. It's got fender flares. This one's kind of bent a little bit. Probably got into a tree or something. But it's a RZR 800 with a winch, big tires. We're going to try to round up some seat belts for it because I think it needs seat belts. The seats are actually in good shape. It's got one little chair on the passenger seat. If you have any questions, give us a call. I'm Bronco Bob with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We got a pretty good price going on this little RZR 800. Have a great day.